I'm going to share how to get a woman to have sex with you fast. Now, this is the context of setting the mood in your place where you intend to have sex. You want to have that place, that venue, that hotel, the office, wherever it is you intend to have sex. You want to encourage a mood that's going to set her to be relaxed and wanting to have sex with you. So some things to consider are, what do you have what do you have for her to drink at your place? Are you ready to set that mood? You need to have, I'm not saying you have to have alcohol, but if she wants to have champagne, wine, beer, maybe she's into, I don't know, cosmopolitans, but make sure that your bar is stacked and that whatever she asks you for, it's there at her service. I highly recommend at least a bottle of wine. Clean glasses, please. Nobody wants to drink from a dirty glass. So if you anticipate that there is going to be sex happening, you want to make sure that you set the mood. The next thing you should think about is, what do you have for her to eat? Do not invite a woman over to your place and have an empty fridge. You're not a bachelor. You're not from college. You want to have a stacked fridge, and you want to make sure that you've already figured out what are her dietary needs. You don't want to have a meat charcuterie board when she's a vegetarian. So maybe you want to have fresh fruits. Maybe you want to have almonds, chocolate-covered strawberries. No nuts if she's allergic, but the more attention to detail that you have on her dietary needs, my goodness, that is going to score a ton of points moving forward. Now, do you have any naughty foods to play with? Juicy fruits. Again, those chocolate-covered strawberries. Maybe it's mints, candies. Maybe you're going to create a chocolate fondue or cheese fondue. I like things that will smell good on your body as well as in your mouth. So make sure that you've got mint chocolate chips maybe, or maybe you've got those strawberries and fruits, because all of that will add to the sensual experience and will probably guarantee that you are going to have a better chance and likelihood for sex. Now, think about your bathroom. No woman wants to see a dirty ring under the toilet, guys, okay? I'm just saying things that are the obvious. Make sure your bathroom is clean. If you're inviting a woman over to your home, your dwelling place, I don't care if it's a hotel or motel, you want to make sure that everything is in order. And the more that you can add a personalization, knowing that you've taken care of her and that you have in mind that you want her to feel totally relaxed, that is going to set up the mood big time. Do you have those fresh, fluffy towels? Does it smell great in there? Do you have the potpourri? Are the candles lit? You want to get rid of anything that's a mess, anything that smells, anything that has an odor, anything that's in the trash, anything that would ruin the environment. Old condoms, get rid of that. Toothpaste in the sink, get rid of that. Backsplash on your bathroom mirror, all are turn off. She doesn't want to have sex with somebody who lives like a dirty scrub. You want to make sure that you are setting that environment for her. Here are some other subtle differences. Make sure that all 5 senses are on fire. The smell, the touch, the visual, the sense, everything there. And also how you look, right? Is there music? What is playing in the background? Is it, that some cool R&B? Maybe if R&B is not your type, maybe it is meditation music. Maybe it's something fast and hard. It just depends on what are you trying to, experience and what path do you want to go down with her. So invest in nice, low romantic lighting. Invest in those candles. Nothing intense and definitely nothing tacky. So consider that you are bringing in a guest. You are setting the mood like you're setting the table for an incredible time. This is a great way to escalate the romantic experience, get her to go to bed with you fast, and by the way, need to make sure you've got protection. Nothing kills the mood if you're right in there and then you've got to run to the pharmacy. Heck no, make sure it's stacked and make sure you've got everything for her pleasure, which eventually will be yours. If you're liking these tips, make sure you subscribe and check out our next video.